Today we're gonna talk about I don't know which topic. Sushant's gonna recommend me some topic, and we're gonna talk about some topic. We're gonna tell you all the value we have inside our heads, and we're gonna basically tell you whatever we know about a specific topic, and you can learn from us. Sushant, which topic should we talk about?
I was thinking that which topic would be good for the audience that they can learn from this podcast. Any thoughts? What are you thinking of about?
About fine.
हेल्थ के बारे में गल करते हैं
Okay.
हेल्थ
Health.
So guys, we have decided we start the podcast over the topic health. So basically, what is health? Health is what do you eat in your diet? How do you take care of your body and everything of your body, like your diet, your skin, like some of the people do skincare and hair care and etc. many more things.
Every single person should take care of their health because health is a very important matrix of every single person. Sushant, elaborate with people how to maintain a good health.
Firstly, sleep at least 6 to 7 hours, because uh, it will recover all of your body energy and recover all your muscles that you have trained all over the day, as whatever you have done in all of your routine, like gym, exercise, or your 9 to 5 job, or your business, anything. That should be anything. Or you are studying in university or in school. After all, you are coming from university or school and going to somewhere else, like for playing sports, etc. Sleep is most important, but it should not be more than 7 hours. Should be minimum 5 hours. Minimum to minimum 5 hours is most important, but not more than 7 hours, because when we die, we already slept. Burning line. एक करते हैं.
Like yesterday, I really didn't sleep in the night. I sleep just 1 hour, and really felt that drop in my mind, the drop in my frequency, the drop in my thought patterns. Every single person should sleep at least 8 hours a day and have exercise in general, guys. Go to the gym, have some physical exercise because it is the great thing for every single one of you. And yeah, Sushant, tell everybody some more things about it.
When you hit the gym or any exercise, don't do for your ego. Don't do it like anybody hurt your ego, so you're doing exercise really hard. Do it like consistency. Working, you are overloading. You are progressively overloading your workout. Like you are doing today 1 or 10 push-ups. Increase it by one or two daily, and you will see that first 2 weeks you don't see the results, but after a month you see all the results that you have put into your workout. So what are your thoughts about alter ego in workout?
I think most of the injuries that happen in the gym are because of egos. People get egoistic and they lift so much weight that they can't handle and they throw that weight on themselves and they injure themselves. So don't be an egoistic person, don't do ego lifting and lift the weight that you can really lift for yourself. Lift the weight that your body can handle. And yeah, that's all. Don't be egoistic.
So, one more thing, you should maintain your diet in three parts, like our ancestors did throughout their life, and we also do it regularly on the basis of daily life. So, lunch should be heavy, breakfast and dinner should be light. If you're doing really, first of all, eat healthy foods. You can eat junk food if you have a craving of junk food. You can eat maximum of number of times 1 to 2 months, 1 to 2 times in a month, not regular basis. I I also suggest you don't eat on the month basis, like 1 to 2 months, 1 to 2 days a month. Because it will harm your health. Eat always eat healthy food.
Exactly. Health is wealth. When you maintain your health, you will automatically attract wealth because health is wealth, and when you have health, you will have wealth.
Everybody has heard the quote. If you take care of your body, the body will take care of yourself. The body will take care of the body will automatically take care of yourself. So be honest to yourself. If you train yourself well and keep your body healthy, then your mind will also healthy. Then your then automatically your mind will also healthy.
ਚੰਗੀ ਦਾਦਾ ਜੀ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਮਕਸਦ ਕੀ ਆ ਖਾਲੀ ਖਾਲੀ ਫੀਲ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਵਾ ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ
ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ था,
ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਵਾ ਹੁਣ
ਹੁਣ ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਦੇ ਕਦੇ। At last, guys, love yourself. Don't love anyone. Don't love somebody else. That it will hurt you in last. First of all, love yourself, love God, and love your parents. Don't a random girl.
ਮੇਰੇ ਘਰ ਹੀ ਡਾਂਸ ਵਾਲੇ